Kadba election jong Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KJDC kalajan satang daki singi yan ngut ki Kyrtong na ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kila Thep Kyrteng banlong kumu Kyrtong bapura na ka benta kanik election MDC haka office jong Deputy Commissioner Kari Bhoi hakamat returning officer ki Kyrtong ka BJP ki bala Thep Kyrteng kilong urodni Singli na Umsning constituency Padu Manind Raja na Nongpo constituency hakani kasi Thep Kyrteng la Senran Langru ya uba Singli bat uba Raja da kinong ilam ka party lembat kinong kersyahan jongki habaya keren pat kilat patai kubor ki arngut ki Kyrtong kilapan pau bakathong bahakman e jongki ban yakon yakani election MDC kalong banyadai ki hok jongki pat rilom kila banjuru halor ka jingdan kam ban pentre kam ya ki an ki bakerpang hapo ke JDC banang penklan bat yada ya ka jingmentoy jang ki terai muluk.
I'm contesting from BJP party from 2 Nongpo constituency. So I'm so happy that at least party has given me to stand for the party for the Nongpo people, and first time our party has coming up with the manifestos, and we are trying after winning the thing honorarium to the traditional head, local head like CM, Doloi, Dorbasno, Sordar Siben, and we are financial assistance also. We are going to give for the local domestic registered domestic workers like a taxi driver, auto driver, laborers, widows, single mothers, and strengthen the our traditional practice. I mean healing practice with the help of Ayush ministry, and we are trying after winning that border issue also we'll see after discussion with the thing. Then again we are looking for the transparent recruitment in the district council as soon as we select. Thank you.
Seperti BJP kandidat BJP nak miskin konstitusi bat dengan job nganjele ka bala ban yarap lek ba jeng dong ri Bhoi nam ta put sam bat nang benta development per apa ka konstitusi pada juga por nak rapat lek ba jeng miskin konstitusi mungkin selang rekan-rekan bat nga
ke itra jing pi ba pimi nak ka parti BJP
hari jeng kalau baka parti BJP kadek pasing syar ya ka di India dia ka nganjob na ka BJP parti ngalak sibun menyerap ya ke ba di konstitusi juga muslim bat ban ya trelang rekan-rekan batki